If you were interested in purchasing a yacht, you would start by speaking to someone like me to help you through that process. The first thing would be for me to understand what you need, what you think you need, or sometimes to guide you into defining what you need and what you want. Based on that, we would introduce projects, builders, or designers, and then develop a project specifically for your wishes. From the design, the layout, the technical specification, to the selection of the builder, the negotiation of the build contract, and then putting in place a project management system to guarantee that the final outcome meets or possibly exceeds your initial expectations. The asking price for SilverStar is 36.4 million euros, which is basically the same asking price from the builder for a new unit, plus the special interior package by Giorgio Armani, except you don't have to wait 2 years to get your yacht. The Giorgio Armani interior is an unusual experience, not only because it's a legendary name, but also because we did not have the freedom to choose much or actually anything at all with this interior. In the beginning, we were a bit perplexed by this position, but we realized that it was actually wise because there is such a delicate and perfect balance of everything on the interior that there was no need, and actually any change would have possibly compromised the integrity and the completeness of the design. So we're actually very proud to have selected a project with such an interior.
Well, TISC, otherwise known as the Italian Sea Group, is an amalgamation of a lot of different yachting brands. They're based here in Marina di Carrera. Walking in the gates here is like walking in the gates of no other shipyard. It's almost like walking into an art gallery. Frankly, most shipyards that you walk into around the world, they really are heavy industry almost. And this shipyard is something different. It's based in a small town in a picturesque location. There's rolling hills. Beautiful seaside. Not the largest town in the world, so they've brought in everything they need to support this little city inside a city. There's an amazing village which has dance studios, world-class chefs, gym facilities, spas, everything you could need, let's say, in terms of the owner experience or the client experience, and even the experience of the technical team is facilitated and expanded just by the great hospitality they show here. It's a beautiful location. I really enjoy working here. I think one of the key strengths of TWW Yacht Management's operating and new build team is that we are in fact a combined operating and new build team. So we have a great team of people running our super yachts and another great team of people building those super yachts. But there is a lot of transition and crossover between those two teams. They very much support each other, they intrinsically work together. The great part of that is that the knowledge and the expertise gained in one area is very easily transferred to the other area. Having that intrinsic knowledge inside the team and then passed across to the operating team is fabulous for the ongoing support of the owner, the yacht, and the vessel in general.
TWW Yachts has a very boutique approach to yacht brokerage. We have possibly fewer clients than larger houses, but we truly care about developing very close relationships to our clients because a super yacht is such a personal thing. It's such a big investment, not only financially, but also emotionally, that you really cannot afford to make a mistake for the owner and for the broker, for that matter. So working with TWW Yachts means developing a relationship of trust, of deep understanding between the client and the broker. We trust that the information we are providing you today, even though we are standing on an incomplete yacht, you need to come and look at it again in a few weeks, was helpful and enjoyable, and we look forward to working with you on your own new build project. My name is Jean-Claude, and I hope to meet you soon.